they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears of control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and make it I'm free. Let it go, let it go. Thank you.